What is up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are covering XRP, as XRP is actually one of the best performing altcoins and just coins in general today. If you look here on the right, you can see it's up nearly 6% today, whilst all the other coins are down except for a few. Now this is quite surprising because XRP is usually one of the worst performing coins. However, usually in the market when we get days like this where the entire market is just sort of consolidating or going down, XRP can do the opposite. So I want to go into detail on what is actually happening with XRP, as we have some big news, technical news mostly. As you can see here on the daily, we have this quite large downtrend and we've been constantly rejecting this level since July of this year. And essentially, if we are able to break out of this, then it will result in some bullish price action for XRP. Now, you can see here on the daily chart, we are currently breaking out. Now, we will need a candle close above this resistance level and this red resistance box right here in order to actually be quite bullish. However, we are still in this sort of sell zone right here that we have for XRP in this big red box. But if we are able to close above here, then that will be something quite significant for XRP. Now, one thing I do want to preface by saying is that we had a similar move last Saturday and we're getting the exact same move nearly this Saturday. So here you can see last Saturday, we also got a pump at roughly a similar time, and now it's 3 o'clock here and we're just at the top of this pump. And yeah, last weekend on Saturday we also got a similar move. However, last weekend it was a whale essentially just making quick profits on XRP. He bought up, made retail buy-in, and then sold off his position, as you can see, and that caused a dump right here. Now we're going to go into detail whether this could be the same thing happening again. However, one thing we do need to check on is Bitcoin dominance. Now here on the left we have Bitcoin and on the right we have Bitcoin dominance. In order for altcoins to really flourish in the market, we need Bitcoin dominance to drop and Bitcoin to rise. So you can see here, Bitcoin is slowly starting to rise on the daily, with dominance starting to break away and fall down. Now this low right here that we have for dominance is a key low that we need to break. And then further down, we have this low, which is another key support level that we must break on the dominance in order for us to actually start seeing a huge rally on altcoins, and one of those altcoins being XRP. Now, of course, XRP has some other news, which is the SEC appeal in October, which also needs to go well for XRP to flourish. Now, Bitcoin is starting to slowly come up. We have broken through this major resistance level right here that we had, and it looks like it can keep continuing up. Now, some more news on XRP is with the upcoming SEC appeal date, and obviously if SEC doesn't appeal, then that will be bullish for XRP, but if the SEC does appeal, then it will be bearish for XRP. Now, one thing that whales liking to do right now, especially the closer that we come up to this appeal date, is that they are essentially trading against the retail. So what these whales like to do, like we saw last Saturday, is they buy large positions in the market, which causes a pump, and then the retail FOMO follows. Because retail see a pump, they think something is happening in the market, so they will be buying in, essentially giving more liquidity to the whales, and then those whales are essentially selling on the retail. And that's what we saw last weekend, which essentially caused a stump. And yeah, that could very well be what we are seeing right now. So it's still too early to tell whether we can trust this move up or whether it is just whales, like we saw last Saturday, buying the market just to sell on the retail. Because again, this is quite easy and quick profits for the whales. And it's not like every week that we get some huge news like this that they're able to use against the retail traders. Now, if this is a real move and XRP is actually starting to look bullish, some key price action that we need to look for is for us to close above this red box right here, see some sort of consolidation and accumulation before we can head up to this level right here at the 0.5 Fibonacci level at $0.66. Now, if we're able to break above this, then that will be perfect for XRP, as it will actually show us entering an uptrend. However, I think that is still early days for XRP. I think there's still so much for XRP to do until we reach that phase. As you can see here, it really doesn't ever enter an uptrend. It's usually just consolidating or in a massive downtrend. The only time we're ever really in an uptrend is when we get these artificial pumps and then we instantly just dump back down. It's not like, any other altcoin where we will see good accumulation phases, uptrends, distribution phases, downtrends, trends, and then that sort of scenario. With XRP, it's very pump, dump, and that is one of the main reasons why I don't really like XRP, even though I'm a holder for many years. However, it's just something that we have to deal with if you want to be holding. Now, if you do want to be getting trades every single day, then make sure to check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to trade XRP or any other crypto, make sure to check out the exchange links. And also, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you did enjoy and it did help you out. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Goodbye.